part 2. I'm gonna get the phone stuff ready. Let's make sure all the phone stuff is ready. 1. Make sure this thing is inside here, because sometimes when you do the stuffy stuff, if you don't have it all set up, it's not going to work. So, yeah, thanks. Screen recorder start. Make sure that the screen recorder's got the microphone on, because we've had bad days when it wasn't. Bad days when it wasn't. Stop that thing. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Okay, screen record. Microphone is on. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this turns out. We've got start broadcast on both. No, wait, start broadcast on both. Are they broadcasting? I think they're broadcasting. Great. Stick this in here. Come on, man. Just get in there. Okay, good. This should start the app right away. On the DJI thingy, allow, it starts the thing right away in the DJI Mini 3. But on the other one it doesn't, so you have to make sure that we get this right. So this is still recording, great. Let's get into Hubsan. Start now. It's going to ask us to update. It should be running in a second. In a second it shall run like the wind. Device, okay, we're good. We're good. So we'll put one in the air first. We'll cancel the doobly-doo. And the word of the day today is flamingos. Flamingos. Apparently they're very popular right now. Flamingos happen to be very popular right now. Not sure why, but they are, so I thought I'd just put that out there. Okay, so let's get one in the air first and see if it, with all the next new stuff that I've put on it, it'll track it better. Yesterday we were having issues with locking. So, alright.